Hello viewers, a warm welcome to the Krishideepam news channel, a friend and guide of farmers. Today, we'll introduce you to the machines of harvest. Before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't done yet. Do press the bell icon too to get notification of our content at the earliest. Reaping the harvest is often a trying task for the paddy farmers. Presently, the use of the machine has eased their work to a great extent. Here, we introduce you to the reaping machines which can harvest the paddy fields and at the same time separate sheaves from the straw. Machines are the priceless friend to the farmer, especially at a time when laborers are hard to find. They range from single-user machines to massive ones, from mechanized reapers to machines that convert paddy to rice. The mechanized harvest can save you 85% of the labor cost and around 65% of harvest. You will also find machine to bundle the straw after rice is gathered from the cost of harvest. You will also find machines to bundle the straw after rice is gathered from the cost of harvest. Full-time farmers have switched to these machines for reaping as well as bundling up the hay from fields, for it saves a lot of time. Paddy is the king among the grain crops. It is very much the staple food of a lion's share of the world population. According to statistics, paddy is grown in around 148 million hectares of land now.